Now that we have created the screen layout for the baby case game, I'm going to show you guys how to create the code to do the program. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is write the code corresponding to the baby that is being dragged across the screen. That's going to be very similar to the battle in the Pong game that we have already completed. So I'll go to this baby under my blocks and I'll get this baby.dragged block. So when baby is dragged, what I want to do is change its X position and its Y position. So I'll now go to my definitions. I'll get the current X value and I'm going to put that for my X coordinates. I'm going to baby and I'll go all the way down to baby.y and I'm going to plug that in for my y coordinate. So this is very similar to the paddle. We are not changing the vertical position of the baby, we are just changing its horizontal position as it's being dragged across the screen. The next thing that I'm going to do is program the start button. So when the start button is clicked, I'm going to set the position of the baby somewhere along the bottom of the screen, maybe the bottom center. So when the start button is clicked, I'll set baby.x and baby.y to some specific values. So I'll set baby.x to maybe 375. So that'll position the baby towards the bottom of the screen. I'll set baby.y to maybe, actually baby.x has to be something like 150. That's the center from left to right, and we want the bottom position for the baby, so we'll set the y coordinates to something like 375. So that completes the code corresponding to moving the baby and setting the initial position of the baby. In the next tutorial, I'll start talking about how to make the ball fall from the top.